Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your profile picture on Discord. So first open your Discord application. Now click on this three bar icon on the top left corner. Here in the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. Now you can see profiles. Here you just need to tap on here, click on here. It looks like a pencil. Just tap on this pencil and now click on change avatar. Just click on change avatar, then select your gallery or whatever you want. Then you can change your profile picture. This is a very easy process. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.